The following is a demo for the Trimble Forestry WSX mobile application. This video covers how to complete a standard job. Other videos cover app setup, job editing, and job creation. The first screen you see when you log into the WSX mobile app is this job screen. Dispatch will send jobs directly to your device. Jobs display with the first job at the top of the list. You must complete the jobs in the order they are displayed on the screen. Each job will display with the scheduled pickup date and time. A single job can have multiple uplifts. Each uplift will display the logging crew and log grade. You can also see the customer for delivery and the docket number if it has been generated. You must confirm a job before you start. To confirm the job, tap on it and read the details. If all the details are accurate and you can complete the job, click the orange Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. You can confirm more than one job at a time. Before you confirm a job, you can check the directions to the logging crew by tapping on the orange Display Directions text. You can see that both jobs are now confirmed. When you start moving, you will automatically trigger the en route status.
En route.
Ensure your previous jobs are completed and cleared from the app before you go en route, as incomplete jobs can prevent the status from updating. Once you're in the forest and nearing the crew, the status will change from green en route to light green at prox.
Nearing gang. Arrived at gang.
The at crew status can trigger a docket pre-notification if the customer is set up to require one. You will be automatically presented with the pre-notification screen. You must complete any field in this screen displaying an exclamation mark. To enter data, simply tap on the field and complete the entry. Pre-notification details must be completed for all uplifts. To access additional uplifts, swipe left on the screen. When you are done, send the pre-notification to dispatch by tapping on the send icon, the paper plane icon, in the top right-hand corner. You will still need to complete external pre-notification processes, e.g. C3 or ISO pre-notification where required. Your job status will change to loaded when you have left the crew and begun to drive toward the customer.
Left gang.
The pre-notification screen will appear if you still need to complete this process. If you have not sent the pre-notification, your data may not be available at the weighbridge or scaling shed, leading to delays. When you reach the customer location, the status will go from purple loaded to blue at customer.
Arrived at customer.
The job details screen will automatically present when the at customer status is reached. To complete the required docket details for a job, as a minimum, you must complete any field shown with an exclamation mark. Other data can also be returned where required by your operation. To enter data against these fields, simply tap on the field and complete the entry. Please note, a decimal place must be used when entering weights, and entry must be to 2 decimal places. Weights must also calculate correctly, i.e. gross less tare must equal net. Where weights do not calculate, these will continue to display in red. Volume must use a decimal place and requires entry to 3 decimal places. If the job has more than one uplift, you must complete the docket details for all uplifts. To access additional uplifts, swipe left in the job details screen. If you have entered data but the field still presents as red, this likely indicates you have not entered the value with the required number of decimal places. Once all required docket details have been entered for all uplifts, select the send icon, paper plane icon in the top right-hand corner to send the details to dispatch. Note you can also access docket details at any stage during the journey by tapping on the journey in the job screen. When you depart the customer, the status will update. There are 2 possible options for the final job status. Either the unloaded status,
Left customer.
which occurs when you have not completed the required docket details. You must complete and send all required docket details to clear the job. Or empty status, which occurs where the job has been completed fully and the job is removed from the job screen. If a fully completed job will not clear from your job screen, please contact your dispatch. Your job is now complete. Thank you for watching.